Okay, I got this Acura MDX repair on this fender. I got very little room to blend. I'm gonna try to keep as much color away from the door as I can. I'll be using Axalta Speed Hecker High Tech, and I over reduced my base coat a bit. What I did was I mixed it with the wet bed to thin the base coat out a little bit to make my blend easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the base coat. Begin with my wet bed. I'll be using the Axalta 5000. And for the base coat, I'll be using my Axalta 5500 1.20 RP. Now I'm going to start by doing my blend first. I'm not going full trigger, I'm just feathering it to try to let out little bits of base coat so I don't get too much color everywhere. Okay, now I'm done with that. Let that dry. Make sure that it's not transparent. As you can see, I don't have much color at the edge. I do have some. It did stick to the wet bed a little bit right there, but very minimal. Up here, the little bit, also minimal. I'll go ahead and dry that, see how it looks, hopefully clear. Ready for my second coat of clear. Alright, it's all done. As you can see, I kept as much color away from the door as I could. Blended out good.